Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Parking. Here I'm with Cindy Tucker, and he's with his mom. They are both dancing to Kate newly released song. I don't know the title of this song, but I'm telling you that this song is making amazing numbers on TikTok already and even Instagram. And people have actually come out to dance to this song. They like the sound, they like the beat, and so on. And Kate is actually gonna make super huge amount of money off this song. Now, Cindy Tucker, his boss, is with his mom. They're celebrating happiness. Cindy Tucker is calling the mom the love of his life. I've never seen Cindy with his girlfriend. I really know that Cindy doesn't have a girlfriend, but I do know and I can come to believe that he is in a serious relationship with his mom, who is currently 52 years and himself is 28 years. Guys, stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay updated. Turn on the notification icon so you don't miss out on any future videos that I'll post. Share this video, celebrate love. Mwah. And just for you, if you want to know, I love Cindy Tucker super much, and I love his content creating, and I love his spirit, I love his vibe. On the other hand, I'm already attracted to his mom. I love her complexion. She's such a very beautiful woman. Look at how she is. She's 52 and she's still looking amazing, And then they'll come and say, see why I ain't gonna look that good again. But look at someone who's 52 years. She's absolutely looking amazing and incredible. I love the vibe. For the music, I had to change the voice so that I wouldn't get a copyright claim, since Kate has gotten the song license already. So stay tuned and stay updated.